It's too big. I want it to be tiny. $30. Oh! So whenever I come home, I don't really pack anything. And this time around, I literally didn't bring any makeup, you guys, like any, because I'm here for my sister's engagement party and we're getting our hair and makeup done, my blush and glow. So I was like, you know what? I don't want to get ready. I'm just chilling, minding my own business. My mom's like, what are you doing? I'm like, what do you mean, what am I doing? She's like, why aren't you getting ready? And I'm like, because I'm not gonna get ready. It's our family. We have like 50 people coming over in the Mutyala family. She was like, oh hell no, you think that's cute? That's not happening. So now I'm here in my mom's bathroom. Lucky for me, my mom is my mom, so she's pretty stacked with her glam box. She literally labels all of her makeup. It says double wear and it's concealer, and it's because in case she doesn't like know what that means, she writes on it under eye any spots. Like look, there's more in here, I'm dying. CoverGirl True Blend, before makeup, Manuka Doctor Oil, wrinkle free anytime, foundation powder, Aven. So anyways, I'm like sitting here trying to do my makeup. I'm like, oh no, how am I ever gonna do it at my mom's room? Well, the reality is she has a lot more makeup than most of my friends because of, well, me. I don't wanna be ready, you guys. It's Thanksgiving, like all I wanna do is nothing. I don't wanna be cute right now. I was literally in a pajamas and she made me put on a real dress. I swear to God, and no matter how old I get, I have to still be my mother's daughter. Ugh. Anyway, so I put on this EYEKO Black Magic mascara. I guess it gave my eyes some life, you know, at least I have some mascara on. Then I filled in my brows a little bit. She has the Benefit Goof Proof pencil, so I just took that and like filled in my brows. So I look a little more alive. But then we got to foundations. Brown moms like love to wear like foundations that are like 10 shades too light and make you look like super gray and stuff. So every time I get like multiple foundations from a brand, she's always the one that's like, keep it, keep it. So I have this like JOUER one here. It's the high coverage cream foundation. Literally, you guys, I look like an orange blurb. And by the way, she doesn't own brushes. She doesn't believe in brushes. She uses her hands. But she has this like really gross sponge from MAC. Like this thing is like done up. It is probably has all the bacteria in the world. Mama Pundu, I need to get you some better brushes. I put it on, did not match, but I totally forgot. She has the LMT from JOUER, which is in the shade Caramel, which Christina Zilber actually made to match my skin tone. So I put that on and it evened it out. Now it looks pretty even, right? If you're brown and you want like a day-to-day kind of foundation to match your skin that's not too heavy, JOUER LMT is the jam. Okay, then I see that she has her double wear under eye any spot according to her label. Like I wanna try what the Stellar Beauty one looks like on me, but it's definitely feels like it's too light, but I'm gonna try. This feels really nice though, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this sponge, ew. Hey, but this color isn't bad. Oh, and this finish isn't bad. Oh. Mama Pundu might have some makeup missing after this challenge, not gonna lie. That doesn't look bad, right? I am not mad about how I look right now. Dang! Some blush, I'm sure she has some. You know, she probably doesn't because my mom likes to use lipstick as blush. She's always been like that. Oh, but she does have this like Lancome eyeshadow palette. Oh my God, I found a brush, I found a brush. I found a Bare Minerals brush, of course, because that's the only thing she ever used to use when I made her. Okay, so I'm just mixing these two eyeshadows together from Lancome, using it as a blush. I mean, damn, I don't hate it. What lipstick did I put on? I think I grabbed this Maybelline one I found here. It's this Color Sensational 565 Almond Rose Matte. It's from their nude collection. Although I should be wearing red, but it's Thanksgiving. We're about to eat a lot. I shouldn't even be wearing anything on my lips, TBH. Okay, I'm not putting anything on my eye and she can't make me. Fine, yes she can. I'll do like this Maybelline color tattoo. Me and my mom, we love these like stick things, making our lives easier. See, this one I don't mind. It's just like a wash of color. Take it into the corner a little bit, sure, why not? Okay, I think I'm ready. I'm over it. She can yell at me all she wants, but I'm not doing anything else. Let's be real. I'm sitting here trying to be hard. If she tells me to go do it, I'm gonna do it. I'm in her home. You gotta respect your mama when you're in her home. I'm like going through all your makeup, trying to do my own because I didn't bring any home.
I like your clothes.
I brought one dress, one. Because I knew if I was sitting out there in my pajamas, you would come and yell at me. How do you think I look using your makeup?
You look gorgeous.
My mom approves. I think this is enough. I feel decent enough for Thanksgiving. I just want to wear something baggy and comfy and cozy. I think I got this from like Zara or something and it's like cozy. What, Mom? Okay guys, I gotta go deal with this. So I will see you later. Hope you like this challenge. What other challenges should I do? I've done an Uber. I've done a plane. Do you guys want me to post it? Actually, I was with James Charles. When we first met, we were on a plane ride. We did our makeup together, but should I post that? Let me know in the comments below what you wanna see next. Subscribe to my channel. Mom, tell them to subscribe. listen to a mother. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was scrappy, but I hope you guys like this challenge, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.